everyone, welcome back to Best Laid Plans, and this week's video is an unboxing, and I am really excited because this is one of my favorite small shops and artists that I like to support in the planner community. This is MushieWorks, and this is her Forage Box. So this is going to be a subscription. You can sign up to get it monthly automatically, or you can just purchase the ones that on her site when it comes out. I will leave a link in the description box to her site and information about the Forage Box. But essentially it's going to have some planner and journaling stickers, washi accessories, and these are all original items from MushieWorks. She does a lot of really awesome cottagecore, goblin core, fairycore type stickers. So if you are in that kind of realm of things in terms of your aesthetic, you will love her. So we are going to open this together. I literally have only taken out the box and I have cut where the tape is to make it easier, but this is my full reaction. We're doing this together, so let's go. So up here it says the Forage Box, MushieWorks, and it has her little seal here. And everything, I'm gonna just take everything out. It's all sealed here with the pretty seal, and here is what it looks like. Now this was $40, and so it's a little expensive, but everything in here is original art, and there's quite a lot in this box. So here is her card, and the first thing I see is this absolutely gorgeous fairy on this mushroom. This is a vinyl sticker, and again, this is all her original artwork. And if you love, like me, you love like goblin core, fairy core, like that is your aesthetic, fantasy art, like she's amazing. So that's the first thing. And then we have, is that a guy? It's a guy! So I'm sorry, I should not be so excited about this, but I have said so many times to people who make planner stickers that have like actual people or characters, fantasy art of dudes, please. That's all I want. Like, it's so easy to find girl stickers or things like that, but like art of guys, I just don't know why, like it just doesn't exist. So yay, we have this guy here, and he is handsome, and he's got acorns and pine cones and all that. Very good for fall. That makes me very happy. So thank you, MushieWorks. You heeded my call. He's got like moth wings. I love that. So these were our stickers we got here. And then, and because you can't actually see how much, like it looks like there's not a lot, let me just move this so you can see we have quite a lot. So here are ephemera and seals. And I'm just gonna open this up. I'm gonna save a little envelope of everything. So we have that one vinyl sticker. We got a lot more where that came from. So we have these are very fragile, so I'm going to be very careful with them. But she has these gorgeous wax seals she's created with this gold paint on them to bring out the details. So there are both of those seals. Again, just being really careful with them. And then in terms of ephemera, we have her beautiful little bird illustration. It's a bird in like a pine tree. And then we've got this pretty text that has like this burnt effect. We have music notes, some more vintage script. It says be afraid and do it anyway. And then we have a matte version of this one that we have the vinyl of as well. So that was what was in this little envelope here. So we are nowhere near done with this box. and I'm absolutely loving it. Whenever someone does their own original artwork like this, and you can tell the effort and the commitment and the love they put into something, it is just amazing. So the next thing is going to be this journal clip. And this, again, is also her original artwork. So we got our mushrooms, and that is what that looks like. I can't tell if this is supposed to peel or not, but that is the artwork. And then in this really pretty bag here, and also, can I just say that I love getting bags like this. I always reuse them. I never have to worry when I am like putting together like a little fun gift kit or something for someone for like birthdays or stocking stuffers, because I always have enough of these. But I love this pretty swirl pattern, so that was the bag that it came with. And now we're going to look at her washi. So this is Sage Green Blotch Washi, and it looks like this. Very, again, reminding me of like mushrooms or moss. And it has these pretty little details of the light sage and the dark sage, and then these little white dots here. And I just think it looks like a beautiful forest. And then the other washi we have, again, this is all her original art, is this washi here. And I am going to, because this one has a pattern on it, open it real fast and we'll do a swatch. So this is the Enchanted Forest washi. I'm just gonna kind of start here. And again, she does all of the artwork for this. Just angle my camera down here. So this is what it looks like. This is about a full spread. So it starts with this squirrel here on a mushroom, and we've got these acorns and a beautiful moth and the bird and another acorn. And then we have the squirrel here. So that's the full length of this, and it is stunning. I have so much washi that is like floral, but sometimes when I want like nature kind of washi, I don't necessarily want like flowers. I want this kind of like atmosphere of a season, or just different, unique natural features like mushrooms, acorns, pine cones, things like that. And there's such a nice mix of that here. And again, her artwork is stunning. So those were the two original washi that we got with this. We're not even to these stickers yet, guys. We're still in the accessories. Now this next item is a washi holder, and I'm in love with this because we have to figure this out, but basically this is a washi stand. So you put your washi on this and it kind of just holds it in place. So it would be like so. So I am really excited about this because not only does it have this beautiful artwork from her, but look, it's got our fairy on it, and it's gorgeous. So now all of the MushieWorks washi that I have, I'm definitely going to be putting on this so I can keep it where I can see it and use it and enjoy it. But that is the beautiful, and it's double-sided too, so you can see images on the front and the back. Absolutely stunning. So now let's take a look at our stickers and other ephemera that we got. So in terms of like special things, this is the vellum and some other like date stickers and things. So these are more like opaque washi kind of style stickers, and then we have the matte finish stickers. So let's take a look at these first. So here we have some banners. We have days of the weeks for planner stickers. We have some green date covers. She's also got these really nice lowercase alphabet stickers. And we have this checklist fairy, and she is like a pine cone fairy. Then we have some frames, and these are different frame stickers, so each of these is an individual frame. I adore this. I think this is a great way to do this. One of the first things I bought from MushieWorks was frame stickers. She does a fantastic job with those. So that came with this, and then we have two big washi sheets here. We have one that has the script and our beautiful mushroom fairy. And you can kind of see the details in her clothes and how she's got these beautiful, like, clear and pretty, like, sage green wings. And then her skirt is like leaves. It's just such beautiful detail. And then we also have the lovely moths here and this grid pattern, some floral and vine, and some acorns. So that was everything in that one. And now let's take a look at the sticker sheets. That's going to be the last items in this. And there are quite a few sticker sheets. So continuing with some of the art and themes that we've seen of the bird and the moth, acorns, pine cones, the squirrel on the mushroom, we have these here. And then we also have some more ephemera kind of stickers, and these are the one with the leaves and the music notes, really pretty. So these are like paper tear stickers, and they are really nicely kiss cut. Then we have her amazing fairy wings, these butterfly wings, and they're just absolutely stunning. Again, she's hand illustrating all of this. And last but certainly not least, we have our beautiful fairies. We've got another mushroom fairy here, our pinecone fairy. We have this pretty fairy sitting on a log here, and I love the detail to their outfits and just how unique they look. And I also like that they aren't like, I have so much like Cecily May Barker, is it Cecily May or Cecily Mary? I think it's Cecily Mary Barker, the Flower Fairy series. And I love those fairies, don't get me wrong, but they are very like childlike and cherubic, and her fairies are very much more like they're full grown. So I just think they're beautiful, and I use her stickers all the time because I love her art style, but these are all like hand drawn, all of them. So you get the 4 sticker sheets here. We had this as well. We had the seals and ephemera. We had our little sampler here with our dude. We have a dude. If she made a sticker sheet that was just like elf and fairy guys, or mermen, something like that, I would buy, like, I would spend so much money. So if you're watching this, MushieWorks, please make more guy stickers for me. Then we got our clip here, and we have our washi tape and our washi holder. So that was everything that came in this box, and for $40, I feel like I did get my money's worth. Everything is original artwork. I have a good variety of items, including like at least like 6 or 7 sticker sheets and 2 large rolls of washi. Something like this alone would be like $20 or more at other places. I know that's what I pay for my Simply Gilded stands. So like that's half the value of the box, like right there, with just that. So I do feel like this is something that I would get again. I absolutely am just in love with the artwork and how much you can tell that a lot of heart was put into this. And I hope that she's seeing success from this. Again, MushieWorks information in the description box below, as well as information about the Forage Box and how to get the subscription or when it comes out. I will have another video coming next week. We're gonna get into our October spreads. So I'm excited about that. But please share this, like, subscribe, find me on Instagram at Valkyrie Plans, and also follow MushieWorks on Instagram to learn more about their new releases in the Forage Box. I will catch you all in the next one. Have a great week. Bye!